So we have a simple program to generate all Pythagorean triplets with values smaller than given limit. A Pythagorean triplet is a set of three integers a, b, c such that a square plus b square is equal to c square. So if your limit is 20 and your output is 3, 4, 5, 8, 6, 10, 5, 12, 13 and 15, 8, 17, 12, 16, 20. Up to 20 you are supposed to generate Pythagorean triplets. An efficient solution can print all the triplets within the time is to use square sum relation of Pythagorean triplet. Addition of squares of a and b is equal to square of c. So we can write these number in terms of m and n, as a is m square minus n square and b is 2mn and c is equal to m square plus n square. So a square is m to the power of 4 plus n to the power of 4 minus 2m square n square, and b square is 4m square n square, and c square is m to the power of 4 plus n to the power of 4 plus 2m square n square. So instead of iterating for a, b, c, we can iterate for m and n, can generate these triplets. And this notation we use it in programming. And see the Python program. We have a function definition. The name of the function is Pythagorean triplets, and one parameter is limit, and m is 2. While c less than limit, we are using for loop, and we use the notation a is m square minus n square and b is 2mn and c is m square plus n square. If c is greater than the limit, then break and print a, b, c. And the limit is 20, and we have a function called Pythagorean triplets within brackets limit. So take a paper and work it out, how the loop works and what are the values of a, b, c.